Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the Apple ID that stores the contacts. That's essential. Once signed in, make sure Contact Sync is enabled on your device so restored items reappear. Now open iCloud. Com on a desktop because the only way to restore archived contacts is via the web interface. You'll use settings right arrow advanced to access the Restore Contacts option. This central step prepares the archive list you will choose from next, so don't skip it. Once you're in Account Settings, find Advanced and click Restore Contacts. This shows archive snapshots organized by date. You should review the snapshot contents if possible and pick the one that contains the contacts you need, because restoring replaces or merges data in iCloud. After selecting the correct archive, click Restore and confirm the action. iCloud will process the archive and push restored contacts to devices synced with that Apple ID. Make sure devices stay online until the sync completes. After restoring, you need to wait for iCloud to sync. Check each device's Contacts app to verify the items returned. If contacts are still missing, make sure devices are online, then toggle contacts off and on in iCloud settings to force a fresh sync. This often resolves propagation delays. If the specific archive date isn't listed or the restore fails, record the error and contact Apple support. They can help when the archived snapshot is absent. Keep calm and follow those steps exactly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.